As leaders, we all come up with this prime responsibility. It is hiring the people and training the people to deliver to the organization's growth requirement. So, when you want to hire the people, one is the right kind of a talent we need to hire. How do we do that search of right kind of a talent? An important thing to know is, as a department, what are all the collective strength of the department, and what is that some skill gap which is there. If that skill is there, as a department we can do it better. So once you identify the skills that you do not have possess with you, by way of acquiring, it is going to improve the delivery of what is that you are doing, your service levels. Then identify that skill and hire the people. After hiring, the team, all the people in the department has to work as a team. So they need to understand the ultimate goal of the department and goal of the organization, to harness them to work towards the single-minded goal of the organization, and we need to develop them. They will have many questions, spend good amount of a time, understand, help them how their skills, currently what they have, what is something they acquire more than that. It is going to help the organization as well as an individual. I remember in the organizations where I worked, first time I took the responsibility of the administration facilities. I, being a non-technical person, one of the requirement was there is a technical person required. I was not aware of ABC of those technical aspects, but I said, as an organization, it is department for the good of the department. It is important that we hire the technical people to help us in the process. Moment I hired those technical people, the department has become complete. We were able to work together and deliver best to the organization. That is where it becomes, as a leader, important to identify those key skills that is required. What is it currently you have? What is that you do not have? Then look at and hire the people with those skills and develop them so that they grow as well as they help in the organization's growth. Thank you very much for listening. Until we meet again, this is Ram Krishnan signing out.